Which outdoor misting fan is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, YDCB RIRA Misting Bucket Fan. The YDCB RIRA Misting Bucket Fan caught my eye with its massive 4-gallon water tank and a hefty price tag of $99.99. If you want uninterrupted cooling for hours on end, this is worth a serious look. The standout feature here is that huge 4-gallon water tank. Unlike typical misting fans that need constant refilling, this one allows for extended use without interruptions, perfect for those long days at the beach or backyard barbecues. Plus, it's got a powerful 40,000 milliamp hour battery that keeps the cool air flowing for as long as you need. With features like oscillation, a retractable handle, and even an LED light, it's designed for real outdoor convenience. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Stay cool while enjoying outdoor fun without the hassle of constant refills. Now, some people complained about its weight, which may be an issue when you're trying to lug it around. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a powerful cooling solution for gatherings instead of portability, that's a minor trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're planning a big outdoor event and need reliable cooling. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultralight and portable for quick trips. Now, if that YDCB RIRA's weight is a concern for you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for more casual outings.
Product number 2, Aoprix Camping Misting Fan, priced at a wallet-friendly $31.99. If you want something lightweight and super portable, this fan is a solid contender. This little fan features a 9-ounce water tank that can cool the air by an impressive 15 degrees Fahrenheit in just 3 seconds. It's perfect for those impromptu outings where you need quick relief from the heat. With a battery life that lasts between 20 to 120 hours, depending on the speed, you can take it camping or to the beach without worrying about frequent recharging. Plus, it's designed with a hook, so you can hang it in your tent or on a branch for multi-angle cooling. Here's why this matters for you. You get refreshing mist and airflow anywhere you go without being tied to an outlet. However, some users mentioned that the water tank could be bigger for longer sessions. Here's the deal though, if you're just looking for a quick mist while you're out and about, this is a minor annoyance. This is perfect for you if you're an avid camper or need a quick fix for outdoor events. Skip this one if you're planning long days without access to refilling water. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more powerful option.
Product number 3. Dreo TurboCool Misting Fan, Gray. Let's talk about the Dreo TurboCool Misting Fan, priced at $79.97. This one really surprised me with its ability to drop temperatures by 5 degrees Fahrenheit while being whisper quiet. What stands out is its 512 CFM airflow capacity and ultrasonic mist technology, which means you get a cooling breeze without the wetness that often comes with misting fans. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. With a 1.3-liter tank, you can enjoy up to 12 hours of cooling without constantly checking the water level. Here's why this matters. It combines efficiency with comfort. Whether you're working from home or enjoying a summer evening outside, you won't be disturbed by excess moisture. Now, some folks have pointed out that the price is a bit higher compared to basic fans, but look, if you're investing in a fan that combines misting and airflow without the downsides, it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you want something that you can use both indoors and outdoors without worrying about noise. Skip this one if you need something that's primarily a misting fan without the added features. Now, if you need something more versatile, let's check out another Dreo option with a different design.
Product number 4, Dreo TurboCool Misting Fan, but in white, priced at $76.50. If you're looking for something stylish that packs a punch, this one is worth considering. Just like its gray counterpart, this fan delivers that same 5-degree Fahrenheit cooling and uses ultrasonic technology to provide a fine mist without the sogginess. With multiple oscillation angles, you can easily direct the airflow wherever you need it most. And just like its sibling, it has a visible 1.3-liter tank, giving you peace of mind with extended cooling. Here's why this matters. You can enjoy a comfortable environment, whether you're working, relaxing, or entertaining outdoors. However, it shares some complaints about being a bit pricier than basic fans. But honestly, if you're looking for something that combines aesthetics with performance, it's a fair trade-off. This is perfect for you if you appreciate design without sacrificing functionality. Skip this one if you want a no-frills basic fan experience. Now, if you're interested in a truly unique outdoor misting solution, the final product on our list shifts gears completely.
Product number 5, ASIC Portable Water Cooling Fan. We have the ASIC Portable Water Cooling Fan, priced at $78.89. This fan is a game changer for outdoor heat relief. What makes it exciting is its ability to connect directly to a garden faucet for continuous misting. No more worrying about running out of water halfway through your event. It features a 20,000 milliamp battery for cordless use and has 7 speed settings to suit your comfort. Plus, it can be transformed from a standing fan to a tabletop unit in seconds. Here's why this matters for you. You can stay cool indefinitely during outdoor activities without the hassle of constant refills. Some users have mentioned difficulties with the setup for the faucet connection, but here's the thing. Once it's set up, you get an unrivaled experience that most misting fans can't offer. This is perfect for you if you host a lot of outdoor events and need constant cooling. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's strictly portable and doesn't require any setup. That wraps up the list of misting fans that can truly save you from the summer heat. So, to quickly recap, the YDC BRIRA is ideal for big gatherings, while the AA Pincus is perfect for campers on the go. The DREO Turbo Cool fans offer performance and quiet operation, and the ASIC fan shines with its continuous misting feature. Each has its unique strengths depending on your needs, but any of these can help you beat the heat. Thanks for tuning in.